21st. Opiate addiction here in the U.S. has reached an all-time high. And the recent death of Prince has highlighted the need for opiate addiction treatment. KMIR's Vince Marino visited a local health facility who shared some startling statistics and also talked about what they're doing to try and help people in the valley that have that addiction.
The grand opening and ribbon-cutting ceremony today marks the beginning of a new chapter in addiction treatment in the Coachella Valley.
We didn't really have an opportunity to follow the patients with the continuum of care that we started at residential. So it was really important for us to follow up, be able to follow up with what they had already started. And that's what this IOP does.
Sunspire Health sets out to help those struggling with addiction to live life in long-term recovery.
I really want the people that I work for, meaning the clients, to be able to live happy, normal lives, to have jobs, to have families, to have history, to have friends. The disease of addiction is a very lonely place to be.
The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention have called opioid addiction an epidemic. A recent study found that it is now more common for a person to die from an overdose than a car crash.
It really started more with the availability of prescription opiates, so things like OxyContin and Vicodin became so ubiquitous, they were so available that people started getting addicted to them, and that's become so widespread. And now people are transitioning from those to heroin because heroin's so much cheaper that we're seeing a huge rise in overdose.
Vince Marino, KMIR News.
17 minutes past the hour. Coming up here on KMIR News on a Friday morning, a big day for businesses in Palm Springs. We'll tell you who the Chamber of Commerce honored. This straight ahead.